morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whatever time you're watching this. And welcome to Spark, a fun day experience to unleash the power of innovation in yourself and your organization. I'm David Thomas from Profound Knowledge Partners Asia, certified practitioners of the 6 Eyes of Innovation and specialist consultants in strategy, innovation, and change. Let me tell you a little bit about the program. Spark is a highly engaging workshop experience which can be delivered either live face-to-face or online. It's a dynamic and fun way to build a foundation of capability and instill a culture of innovation, where you can build innovation mindsets and skills, explore innovation methods and tools, learn personal and team innovation strengths and gaps, enhance team bonding and engagement, and take away innovation ideas that can help grow your business. This program can be used as a standalone experience or as a kickoff to a renewed innovation effort in your organization. The Spark program is based on the 6 Eyes of Innovation model invented by Natalie Turner. This people and purpose-centered framework for innovation blends aspects of design thinking, agile concepts, and practical business improvement approaches. The framework is an ideal way to manage innovation, beginning and ending with purpose, and iteratively working through the stages of identify, ignite, investigate, invest, implement, and improve to arrive at valuable innovations for your organization. During the workshop, your teams will experience these stages, along with the mindsets and some of the tools and methods for innovation, in a highly experiential and fun way. The workshop itself is a fast and furious day of activity, with very little time to spend on foundational knowledge. For this reason, there's some pre-workshop preparation for you, the participants, and of course, us as facilitators. To start off, when we contract with you for the program, we'll sit down with key stakeholders in your organization to learn your vision and innovation purpose. Together, we'll decide on the innovation focus for the workshop and the timing for both the workshop itself and the 30 to 45-minute pre-workshop teleclass. During the teleclass, the participants are introduced to the purpose of the workshop, the Spark facilitators, and the 6 Eyes of Innovation model that is the basis for the program, as well as the innovation focus for the workshop and the expectations for the remaining pre-work. Generally, 1 month should be allowed for the preparation phase, with the teleclass being delivered about 7 days before the workshop. As mentioned, aside from the teleclass, the participants have some other pre-work prior to the workshop, including taking the 6 Eyes of Innovation assessment, reading their 6 Eyes of Innovation standard report, watching 2 videos that expand on the report and the 6 Eyes of Innovation model, and collecting some relevant data around the innovation focus of the day. This pre-work is important as it will be used during the workshop. Now let me give you a high-level overview of the workshop itself. After reviewing your organization's innovation purpose and the innovation focus for the day, we go into forming the innovation teams, making use of your 6 Eyes of Innovation reports. Thereafter, the teams review the information they've collected prior to the workshop and use this to develop customer personas, explore their dilemmas, and identify key insights. To make it easy, templates will be provided for this and all following activities. The next step is to use those insights to ignite a long list of potential ideas. We use a couple of different creative thinking methods at this point. From the long list, the teams will choose 3 ideas to carry forward to the next stage. At the investigate stage, the teams will pause to develop decision-making criteria against which to judge their ideas, and then use that to choose their best idea from which to develop a value proposition. An important part of this stage is to decide on how to convey their idea to others, via a picture, a model, or perhaps by acting it out. Things are heating up in the workshop. With their value proposition established, the teams then go on to invest in their pitch presentation. They have just 1 hour to create a 4-minute pitch that describes their idea and its benefits and what resources they would need to bring it to market. If you'll excuse the pun, the workshop is now at fever pitch. They must deliver their pitch decks to the Spark facilitator before the afternoon break. After the break, each team will take turns to implement their pitch. The presentation order will be randomly selected and will be very hard on time. Once the 4 minutes are up, that's it. Teams will need to be short and sharp to get their messages across. This is a competition, and all other participants will score the presenting team using an online app, with one team being crowned the winner. The pitch competition is the most intense and fun part of the day, and with the awards and recognitions for the teams delivered, you'll sit back to reflect on what you've learned for the day and how you can improve innovation in your organization. What a day! It's been a lot of fun. Some good ideas have been generated, and now the day closes with the teams making action plans for after the workshop. During our initial engagement, outcome expectations will have been discussed with your key stakeholders. These are followed up in a meeting with those stakeholders. During this discussion, you'll make decisions about how to support the attendees to apply the learnings gained from the workshop and any meta-learnings that the leaders of your organization can take away. At the same time, you'll review the pitches from the teams and consider which of these ideas would be valuable to explore further and potentially invest in. Finally, if you'd like, we can work with you and your teams to coach the implementation of your learnings and to help you build on the culture and capabilities that were sparked in the workshop. To sum up, the Spark program is a one-day workshop which can also be delivered in a modular way online. It's aimed at helping participants learn the stages, methods, tools, and mindsets of innovation in a dynamic and experiential way. The pre-work is important to make the day fun, fast, and productive. And on top of all of that, the workshop is likely to result in some useful innovation ideas that you can implement in your organization. Are you ready to make your mark and spark some great ideas? The 6 I's of innovation and Spark. Unleash the power of innovation in yourself and your organization. To learn more, drop us an email. You'll find the address in the description below. We look forward to hearing from you soon.